Good night and welcome to another episode. Hold on, wait. You know what? I'm going to start my show different this week. Okay, let's start all over. Yeah? No, I saw. Welcome to another episode of Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt right here live on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. I've never really somebody to want to start the show, but may I continue the same way. I am Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. I'm a journalist and I have been broadcasting on Jamaicans.com for at least 2 years now, and I have been a journalist working in the field in Jamaica right here for at least 6 years. Trust me, I love doing this show right here on Jamaicans.com. Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, if it's the first time that you're watching, is a current affairs discussion show. So we talk about current affairs, right? And we allow Jamaicans and lovers of Jamaican culture and everything Jamaican right across the world understand what is happening right here in Jamaica. So many rights tonight, right? Well, tonight we are going to be having a very interesting discussion. I'll be trying a new feature to the show because it is our Father's Day special show. So as you come in, just tell me where you are connecting from. If this is the first time that you are joining the discussion, please let me know, right? And you comment below. Last week, I'm not telling no lie. I'm not going with yourself, man. I feel like, and I'm trying to pull up so I can pull up the live on the other device. I feel like I need to do this with my mother more often because I feel like you guys really love my mommy. So big up to my mommy, Diana Mowatt, and I hope to have her on my live again pretty soon. So this show is primarily about Jamaican dads. So for all our people them who don't want to hear about no Jamaican dads, I completely respect your position, but that we are talking about, just to make you know. Also, for the purpose of this discussion, we will be talking about general things about Jamaican dads. So, of course, there are exceptions to generalizations. You understand? And if it is that you are an exception, that no make you less of a dad, and that no make you less of a Jamaican. So, I just wanted that to be very clear. Hi, Ann Karen, she's in the building. Good night. And I see Sky is here sending me hearts. Love to you too, Sky. So, we are jumping right into it. Our topic tonight is, what are some common things that all Jamaican dads have in common? So, what are some things that all Jamaican dads have in common? Tell me in the comments below. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get a Jamaican dad to answer me right now. So, I'm going to travel all the way using technology. I'm going to travel all the way to the UK. I believe it is 1 a.m. there now. And I'm going to call a Jamaican dad. Alright? The person that I'm trying to connect with, he actually has, and he's here now. He has a podcast that he runs. It's called Manting, but he can tell you a little bit more about it. Hello, Jamie McLaren.
Hi, Ashley.
Alright, so, of course you are aware that tomorrow is Father's Day. So let me first say Happy Father's Day, because I think it's a new day in the UK now, right?
Yeah, it's just gone midnight, so yeah.
Okay, alright. Thank you for joining the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show. What I want to know from you, based on our earlier conversation, what is one thing that is most common among Jamaican dads? Uh-oh.
I think the sound dropped out for a minute there. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, good. Thanks for having me on the show. One thing that's common with Jamaican dads, I think there's a perception that dads are a bit kind of bumbling and incompetent, but I think when it comes to Jamaican dads, they're really hands-on and involved in, looking after their children. So yeah, I think that's one thing I would say that Jamaican dads aren't, that they do. They're very hands-on and involved in the kids' lives.
Yes, so Jamaican dads are very hands-on. You understand? Even sometimes when them not to understand exactly what I want, them still want to be there and be present.
Yeah, absolutely. So, even things like cooking, changing nappies, all of that kind of stuff.
Of course. How long have you been a dad?
I'm fairly new in the game, so my daughter will be 2 in September.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah, she's just running around the place at the moment.
Okay, she's still up?
No. She's in bed. But
okay.
It was a late night for her.
Okay. All right, Jamie. Thank you so much. And I appreciate your participation in the show. I know you're also watching us live, and I truly appreciate it. So, as I said before, happy Father's Day, and we will definitely be in touch.
Thanks, Ashleigh.
All right, take care. That was Jamie McLaren, a Jamaican dad, and him say one of the things that all Jamaican dads have in common is that they love to be present in their children's life, like to be hands-on. If you agree with him, you can tell me in the comments below, right? And Karen say, and a new mommy. Oh, you're saying that I'm a new mommy? Yes, I'm a new mommy. Yeah. I'm a new mommy, and my partner is a new daddy. So he's all excited about Father's Day as well, right? So we're still keeping the conversation going. Please let me know in the comments below, what do you think are some common things that all Jamaican dads share, right? I'm going to give you a little joke. But before I give it a joke, I'm going to, using technology again, head on over to China, right? And call this Jamaican dad, right? I am hoping that he is up already. It is apparently 8 a.m. in China. So, am I hearing Maurice? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, Maurice is here live from China, and he's a Jamaican dad. Welcome to the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show.
Thank you.
All right, so tell me, what is one thing that you believe that all Jamaican dads have in common?
One thing?
Yes, just one thing.
One thing Jamaican dads have in common?
Yes.
Can be strict.
Say that again?
Strict. You're strict.
They're strict. What? So are you a strict dad? Are you a strict dad, Maurice?
When it calls for it.
When it calls for it. Yeah, I think they can be strict, but they're not. You see with the moms, I find that they will easily give you a spanking, but dads are strict, but they're not so quick to give you a spanking. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Well, I've experienced that. My father was strict, so I know.
Yeah, and you say you can be strict. Alright, I know it's a new day in China now, so I'm wishing you happy Father's Day. I hope you enjoy your day and continue to be an amazing Jamaican dad.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thanks for joining the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show. Alright, so yeah, Jamaican dads, but not telling no lie, my dad can definitely be strict. You understand? When he needs to be. I want to see the comment. Primrose say a lie. Primrose, how you must say a lie? Lies in terms of what? Jamie McLean says, happy Father's Day to the dads online. Ronnie says, hello. Hi, Faye. So if you're just joining the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show, we are talking about the most common things or I should say, what are the things that are most common among Jamaican dads, right? For so many people, and I would be Jamaicans have a thing for say, mother dumb if me not talk, mother dumb if me not say. There are some Jamaican dads, or yeah, there are some men who have not fully grasped and take on the responsibility of being a father, and therefore Father's Day for many people isn't a day that, you know, it's so joyful and they're quick to take up the phone and wish the man who is identified as their father happy Father's Day. So I commend all the Jamaican dads who are really putting the effort out there, you understand? Being strict, as Marie said, when it's necessary, and being hands-on, as Jamie says, when it's very very important to be hands-on in a child's life. Speaking from experience, my mommy love to laugh when I say I speak from experience, because my baby is only 5 months old. I don't care. I got parent experience, okay? So that's what we're talking about, and we are having the discussion live with Jamaican dads across the globe. I tell you, no, Jamaicans they're everywhere, you know. Jamaicans they're everywhere, and we are celebrating, well, early celebration of Father's Day, right? So let's continue. Robert said Jamaican dads also don't show affection to their sons, being macho. That's so true. Not and as I tell you in the disclaimer earlier, not all Jamaican dads can relate to some of these generalizations, but when we're talking in terms of commonalities, you can identify these traits across several homes. So yeah, I agree with you, Robert. Them not too want the softy thing. You see me? And more while now, when the guy gets to the stage where he's dating a woman who they claim is a drama queen, right? Because his father did not tell him, say, yo, man up, right? It's so difficult for her to get that soft emotional side out of him. Sometimes it's a uphill journey. You can tell me if I'm wrong, right? And if you think that what I'm saying is right, give me some hearts, no man. Give me some likes. Pauline Henry said they need to show their sons more affection. Break the cycle. Xavier says, I agree with Robert. I think we can break the cycle, like as what Pauline said. We need to find a balance. Find a balance there, right? Okay, so I still have more dads to call. Still have more dads to wish happy Father's Day. All right, so of course we are asking them, as I call them live, what are some common things that all Jamaican dads share, right? So this Jamaican dad now, he's actually, so using technology, I'm back in Jamaica, but I'm going to St. Thomas. And this Jamaican dad now, he's an artist, he's a businessman. I think one thing about all Jamaican dads is that they are jack of all trades. I don't know if, okay, and I have him right here. We have Mr. Substance. Are you there live? Substance?
No.
All right, yeah man, I'm hearing you. Welcome to the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann. Yeah man. Welcome to the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show. Thank you for making the time out for this.
Yeah.
All right, and before asking any questions, I want to say to you a happy Father's Day when the day actually come.
Yeah, in advance, eh?
Yes, in advance, because look here, I'm no father, me no know, so I try and make sure say me reach as many, especially you. You're somebody who I look up to because you really.
Some today, some tomorrow. I can tell her some Monday again too.
Yes, me. All right. So what we want to know from you, based on what you know, being a dad and having friends who are dad, what is one thing that all Jamaican dads have in common?
Well, I'm not gonna speak on the behalf of all Jamaican dads, but the good Jamaican dads, we all wanna see the best of our children. You understand what I'm saying?
That's right. That's right. I totally agree with you. With you. How long have you been a dad?
Well, from 2015, you understand me?
Nice. So you have wolf experience, man. 5 years.
Yeah.
All right. So you plan to how is the journey? How is it being a dad? Is it difficult?
Well, it's not an easy journey, but if you put your mind to it, it's also not hard.
Exactly. That's the best way to put it. Really appreciate you sharing with me Substance. And just to let you guys know, Substance is an artist, right? You're on Instagram, you're on Facebook as well.
Yeah, SUBSTANNZZ. You can find me on all social media platforms with that name. SUBSTANNZZ.
All right. Many thanks, Substance, and take care of yourself and enjoy Father's Day.
Alright, Ashleigh, and you can tell everybody to check out Shadows.
Yes.
That's the song that's playing on the radio and all about right now.
Alright.
Check out Shadows.
Shadows by Substance. Alright. Take good care of yourself, Substance.
Okay, yeah. Take good care of yourself.
Alright. There you have it, another Jamaican dad. So as him say, Jamaican dads like to ensure that their children why am I forget what I'm saying? Only tell me what I'm saying. That their children, get the best and achieve the best, and they want the best for their children. You understand? I can speak, I don't like to speak on behalf of people, but I can say in my experience, my dad and mom ensured that if it means that they're going to have to put back major sacrifices, they will, just to ensure that I become the Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt that I want to be. You understand? And to fulfill my greatest potential. So big up to my parents, especially my dad. Tessany is here and she says, which is so sad, and it's something that needs to be unlearned, and it's part of the reason men don't know how to navigate or express their emotions in a healthy way. Alright, I understand what you're saying. I think we're still talking about the fact that Jamaican dads don't really like to show their sons show them how to be or I should say allow them to express that emotional side. That's what I should say, right? Ingrid says they value education. My dad worked extra jobs to help me in college. Give thanks to your dad, Ingrid. Big up and wish him a happy Father's Day. We're still continuing the program, right? Really appreciate the participation that I'm getting here. Paul says anyone can be a dad, but not everyone can be a father. That's interesting. Tell me what you mean by that, Paul. Please tell me what you mean by that. Xavier says Jamaican dads don't admit when they are wrong. Me not even gonna comment on that one. I won't even comment on that one. You guys can tell me if that is right. If that is right, send some laughing face. Just send some laughing face, right? Faye says, happy Father's Day to all dads. So I have one more call to make, right? Very, very important call. And I hope he is still there, right? Now, this is another artist. You understand? I tend to know a lot of artists, especially because of the line of work that I do. And I have here Mr. Zablox Miller, right?
Blessed love.
Alright.
Give thanks a lot.
Give thanks, and I want to wish you a happy Father's Day when it comes.
Yes, ma'am. Give thanks.
Alright, very quickly, can you tell me what is one thing that all Jamaican dads have in common?
The love for their child.
The love for their child. The love for their child. And in some cases, their children, right?
Yes.
How long have you been a dad?
5 years now.
5 years. And how does it feel to be a dad?
Exciting. I would say it's exciting. It's overwhelming sometimes. It's just that it shows how I would say you're not a man until you're a father.
Yes, yes.
It's just a situation. That's why it.
And you don't have to, and you don't have to have a biological child to be a father, right?
No, you don't have to. It's just all about responsibility.
Exactly.
So.
Exactly. I love that, Zablox. Wishing you a happy Father's Day, and thank you for joining the Reason with Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt show.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Alright, take care of yourself. Alright, so there you have it. 4 Jamaican dads sharing with us exactly some common traits among fathers. And when I say fathers, Jamaican fathers. No, I tell you, I promised that I was going to give a joke, right? Earlier, before the show started, I posted on my Instagram, I'm making a Jamaican dad, right? What are the ingredients? Just to get people to start talking about Jamaican dad. Because I think one of the reasons... Okay, before I go on a tangent, let me get a joke. So, just to get the conversation started. So, I'm looking for the same things that we are talking about. Personality traits. You want to hear the response? The responses were oats and peanut. But before I get there, so the Instagram post included a blender and what looked like inside the blender oats, right? So of course, the question that I posed was, make it a Jamaican dad, name the ingredients. I'm looking for personality traits. I got oats, peanut. No man, you have to make sure you say condensed milk in there. We are talking about dragon if you drop in that. Look here, my father drink dragon and Guinness no, but guess what now? You have to put beetroot, you blend beetroot. You understand? No man, oh you forget the supplement, and it was a whole conversation about what I now understand to be how to make a very popular drink that some Jamaican dads drink have in Jamaica called Mampi. So that was a blessing, a mistake but a blessing, because I did learn something and we had a very fruitful conversation about what Jamaican dads like to drink. Apparently the Mampi helps to strong up your back. So if you want to see exactly how to make the Mampi, you can head on over to my Instagram page. I won't be here for much longer. I really appreciate your participation in the show, right? I'm going to read just a couple more of your comments. We have Tesseni say, I love that. He says it's all about responsibility. Arthur said roots. Me say roots for true. You see Arthur? Robert said true, the good Jamaican dads sacrifice and strive to give their children a good foundation for their future education, etc. Even though he was absentee in Florida after graduating from high school, this is long. After graduation from high school, he took my high school diploma, St. Catherine High, big up St. Catherine High, and got me enrolled in college in Florida. So big up your father, Robert. You understand? Big up. I want to say many thanks to all of you who joined the show. I truly appreciated your participation. You understand? And I know, as I said, there are so many Jamaican men who aren't standing up to their responsibilities in a full sense and a wholesome sense as fathers, but there are many who are. So for tomorrow, Father's Day, let us celebrate the good and see how best we can, especially for men, sit down and strategize how we're going to correct the not so good. Alright? Please go over to my Instagram page if you want the Mampi recipe. It's A Mowatt. I'm also on Twitter, right? I'm also on Twitter, A_Mowatt, and I am on Facebook, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. YouTube as well. Just search for my name, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. It's in the caption for this video. Won't be here for much longer, but until next time, come reason with me.